Hi guys, today in this video we are going to determine the molar mass of C6H7N. It has a chemical name of Diproparylamine and it consists of 6 carbon atoms, 7 hydrogen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. So to determine its molar mass, we will need to know the molar mass of individual atoms, and that we can do it by referring to a periodic table over here in which the molar mass of individual atoms are given. So carbon has a molar mass of 12.01 gram per mole. Hydrogen has the molar mass of 1.01 gram per mole, and for nitrogen it is 14.01. So now here, as there are 6 atoms of carbon, I am going to multiply this number by 6, and as there are 7 hydrogen atoms, I am going to multiply this number by 7, and we have only 1 atom of nitrogen. So calculating all summing up this molar mass of individual atoms, we get 93.12 gram per mole, which is the molar mass of C6H7N. So 93.12 gram per mole is the molar mass. Always remember to put down units whenever you are writing a certain number in chemistry, because units are very important to define what measurements you're talking about or what characteristic you're talking about. So always remember to write units. Here the unit for molar mass is gram per mole, and make sure to always complete your calculations by checking that you have written units at every step. So I hope this video helps you to understand how to determine the molar mass of any molecule. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.